In this video, we will discuss the basics of liability auto insurance in the state of Nevada and how it works. Nevada law requires all motor vehicles to possess a minimum amount of liability insurance for every vehicle being driven on public roadways. Your insurance coverage must be validated by an insurance company authorized to do business in the state of Nevada, and you must present proof of this insurance coverage before you can register a motor vehicle in this state. Additionally, proof of liability insurance must be carried in the vehicle you are driving. Vehicles must be continually insured to be driven on public streets. If you drop the liability insurance on any vehicle for any reason, you must cancel your vehicle's registration and surrender your vehicle's license plates immediately. If your insurance coverage has actually lapsed or the DMV cannot confirm coverage at all, they will send a certified letter notifying you that your vehicle registration will be suspended. This will take effect 10 days after the date of mailing. So, how does liability insurance work? Liability insurance coverage pays for the injuries or damage that you or a driver of your vehicle causes to other people or their property. It does not pay for any injuries or damage you may sustain. The two types of liability coverage are bodily injury liability and property damage liability. Every state has laws that dictate the minimum coverage of liability insurance that you must carry. Nevada requires that all automobile liability insurance policies carry a minimum coverage of $15,000 for bodily injury or death of one person in any one accident, $30,000 for bodily injury or death of two or more persons on any one accident, and $10,000 for injury to or destruction of property of others in any one accident. This is also known as 15/30/10. Here's how it works. Let's say you are driving down the road and you accidentally rear-end the vehicle in front of you that has a total of 4 occupants inside the vehicle, all of whom are injured as a result of this traffic accident. If you are carrying the minimum amount of liability insurance required in Nevada, 15/30/10, this means your insurance company will pay up to $15,000 for the injury, rehabilitation expenses, pain and suffering, and time lost from work for any one person in the vehicle. But they will not pay any more than $30,000 in total injury-related expenses, regardless of how many more occupants are inside the vehicle. Also, your insurance company will pay up to $10,000 in property damage for this one accident. Now, if all occupants inside the vehicle you struck are injured, and their total injury-related bills amount to $50,000, and the total damage to the vehicle amounts to $12,000, where does the rest of the money come from to pay for these injuries and property damage? Well, once your insurance company has paid their maximum payout, you can be held personally liable for any amount over and above your 15/30/10 insurance policy. Again, Nevada law requires every vehicle to possess a minimum amount of liability insurance. You can, of course, purchase more insurance than what is legally required by state law. We will discuss other insurance options in this module.